Selamat pagi, nama saya Niluh Putu Agustiawati. Saya dari SMA Negeri 2 Mendoyo. Saya adalah mahasiswa PPG dalam jabatan Universitas Jember tahun 2020, program studi Bahasa Inggris. Okay guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay,
Yes.
yeah, all of you are in good condition, yeah. Okay, thank you very much, guys. And today we are going to learn our material. And then let me share my screen first, yeah. Okay, is it visible for you? Can you see the slide? Can you see it? Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Well, students, get ready, yeah. And at first, I would like to welcome you. Welcome to English class with me, Mrs. Agustiawati. Yeah. And to start our lesson today, let's sing our national anthem, Indonesia Raya. Well, guys, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay.
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah, I want you all to sing this song, yeah? Get ready. 1, 2, 3. And now I would like to mute your microphone. Antara, please turn on your microphone, and then the other, please mute your microphone. Okay, thank you very much, guys. And then let's continue. Antara, I want you to lead your friend to pray. Okay?
Yes, Miss. of
Yeah.
course.
Okay. Go on.
Before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Pray, start. Finish.
Okay, Antara, thank you very much. And then let's continue. Ya, let's do tepuk PPK. Ya, tepuk PPK. Religius, nasionalis,
Nasionalis,
mandiri, gotong royong, integritas. PPK. Okay, thank you guys. And then I would like to remind you to fill the attendance in Google form that I already sent to you in WhatsApp group. Okay? Okay, don't forget, yeah? I have 2 pictures, guys. This one. Yeah, and this one. Okay, do you know the name of this place?
The name of the place
What is that?
is
Is Yeah.
Ulun Danu.
Ulun Danu. Okay, let's check. You're right. Yeah. Thank you very much. Ulun Danu Bratan Temple. How about this one? Do you know the name of this place?
Candi
Borobudur Temple.
Very good.
Borobudur.
Candi Borobudur or Borobudur Temple. Okay, that's good. Look at this. Yeah. Okay. And then, beside looking at the place, you can also take a look into the people there. Yeah, look at them. Yeah. What can you say about the pictures? Apa yang bisa kalian ungkapkan tentang gambar-gambar tersebut? What can you say?
Tour guide and a tour.
There's a tour guide and 2 tourists.
Tourist, tour guide, and then how about the place? What do you call the place? The place is where the tourist and tour guide come. It means that the place is a tourist object. Yeah.
Object.
Okay. So let's now see the keywords here. I provide you some keywords. The first one, tour guide, because we have the picture of tour guide here. Yeah. And then we also have, like you said, we also have tourist object. Yeah. And the tourist. And also, what is the job of tour guide?
Giving information about the tourist
object.
Object to the visitors, or describing a tourist object for the visitors, right? So you can say that describing. Okay. Nah, okay, you have to pay attention to the learning objective. Yeah, this is the learning objective. So in this meeting, you are able to find out an information from the recording, yeah, correctly. Okay. And then the second one, the second learning objective is you are able to make an audio-visual recording about the tourist object that you already made in a transcription, yeah, as a tour guide. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, let's continue. Yeah, let's continue now. Okay, in here I have some character value that you have to show in this meeting. Yeah, the first one is discipline. You have to be disciplined. Yeah, it means that you follow the lesson until you have to show your curiosity. It seems that you are interested in the learning activity. It means that you have a big curiosity. And then the third one is you have a sense of independence. You can be an independent learner. Do you get my point? Yes. And then now this session is for flashback. Yeah, flashback session. Do you still remember the social function of descriptive text? Who remember the social function of descriptive text? Who wants to answer the questions? Or do you have any idea? Anybody?
The function of descriptive text is to
Yes.
describe some object or other.
To describe some object or other. Okay, that's good. Very good. Thank you very much. Okay, you can look at this. Yeah. Yeah. We use descriptive text to describe a place, a human, or a things. What is the generic structure of descriptive text? Who still remember? Siapa masih ingat generic structure dari descriptive text?
Identification.
Yes. Trisna. Okay, Trisna. Identification. And then
Description.
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 Only two. Yeah, only two structures. The first one is identification and the second one is description. Okay. So in identification we have the introduction. And then in the description we have the detailed information of the place. Okay, I think you already understand about it. Right? Kalian sudah paham kan tentang ini ya? Do you understand? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Good. Let me continue. Okay. Do you still remember the language features of descriptive text? Do you know the language
Yes.
features of descriptive text? The tense, yeah, tenses. What tenses do you use in making the descriptive text?
Specific
Simple
participle.
present.
Simple present tense. We use simple present tense, and also we use specific participant. You're right, yeah. And then we also use this one. What is this?
Adjective.
Adjective. And then we also use, what is this?
Action verb.
Yes,
Action
action.
verb.
Okay, that's the flashback session, yeah. And then now let's continue. In this part, you have to stay focused, yeah. It needs your concentration. I have two questions here. The first question is, based on your opinion, what is the main duty of a tour guide, yeah. And then the second question is, according to the recording, why people think that Menjangan Island is the best diving spot in Bali? You can find out this information by listening to the recording. So you have to put it in your mind that the things that you have to find, or information that you have to find in the recording, is about the diving spot. Do you have any question about this activity? Or can I continue?
Yes.
You have to mute your microphone so there will be no sound from outside. Thank you very much. I will play the recording. Okay, get ready. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nilu Putu Agustiawati. I'm your tour guide who will provide complete information about our destination to satisfy your curiosity. I know that all of you are very excited. So, let's begin our trip to Menjangan Island. Menjangan Island is a small island located in the west coast of Bali. The name of the island comes from groups of animals living there called Menjangan, or deers in English. It is a part of West Bali National Park that offers exotic view of blue sea and white sandy beach. Many people visit this island for spiritual trip as well as to explore amazing spot for diving and snorkeling. The island is also known as the location for the best wall diving in Bali. Those who dive in the Sea of Menjangan Island can enjoy the beautiful sea world with variety of coral and fish which are preserved properly by the authority. Besides diving, the visitors can also do snorkeling. There are some diving spots which offers amazing experience for diving lovers, such as Secret Bay, Eel Gardens, and Anchor Wreck. For diving and snorkeling, there are some special tour guides who are in charge to ensure safety diving and snorkeling. They will take the visitor to the diving spot and guide them in doing the activities. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I have explained to you the whole information about this island. I'm really pleased to have a chance to be your tour guide in today's trip. I hope you enjoy the trip and see you in another tourism destination in Bali. Goodbye. Okay, yeah, that was the recording. What do you think? Is it easy for you to listen to the recording, or is it hard for you to understand the meaning of that? Do you get the point? Can you understand the information there? Okay, that's good. So now let's take a look into the question again. Yeah. So the first question, based on your opinion, what is the main duty of tour guide? Okay, and then second one, according to the recording, why people think that Menjangan Island is the best diving spot in Bali? Okay, are you ready with your answer? Ready?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, let's
Yes,
answer the
I'm
question together. Yeah, we can discuss. Don't worry. Okay, number one. Who wants to answer number one? Trisna, do you want to say something? Okay, what is the main duty of a tour guide? Number 2.
Can I answer the number second? Yes.
Okay, if you want to answer number 2 and then you have to postpone it. Tahan dulu ya, sebentar ya. Jawab nomor 1 dulu and then you will get chance to
Miss.
answer. Okay, Bujangga, yeah. Let's go for number 1.
Guiding or provide service to tourists who want to enjoy the beauty of a tourist attraction.
Okay,
Thanks, Miss.
thank you Bujangga. That's good. Where do you get the answer, Bujangga? Do you find it in the internet?
Miss.
Yes, okay, thank you. Yeah, it means that you can find out the information by yourself. That's good. It means that you are independent. Yeah, let's check now. Sekarang cek ya, Bujangga, your answer is good, but you have to read in a clear way. Ya, nanti belajar baca lagi biar lebih lancar lagi. But that's already good. You want to try? That's good. I really appreciate that. And then I also provide you with some answer which are simpler. Kadek Devi Suci, can you read number 1?
He gives information about tourist object.
Okay, and then the second one.
He explains complete information about tourist object.
Okay, the third one.
And third, he guides you to explore the tourist object.
Okay, good. Thank you very much, Devi. And then now,
Yes.
let's answer number 2. Trisna, are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Let's go, Trisna.
The people think that Menjangan Island is the best diving spot in Bali because a beautiful seaworld.
Okay, because they can see a beautiful seaward underwater in Menjangan Island. Yeah, let's check. Yeah, Antara Putra, can you help me to read this part?
Yes.
Okay, go on.
There are some diving spots in Menjangan Island which offer amazing experience for diving lovers, such as
Okay.
Secret Bay, El Garden, and Anchor Wreck.
Okay, very good. Your pronunciation is clear. Ya, sudah jelas pengucapannya ya. That's good, Antara. Okay, thank you very much. So, we already answered the 2 questions. Thank you for those who already answered the question. Give applause to your friend. Okay, thank you. Good job. Okay, look at this. Yeah, so just now, you already have an exercise later on. Yeah, later on after this meeting, you have to do individual exercise. You can go to this link. Yeah, I will send this link to your WhatsApp group, and then you can do the task like this. Yeah, so I have 10 multiple choice questions, and then you have to answer the questions. Yeah, choose A, B, C, D, or E for the best answer, and then after that you have to submit, and you will get the score right away. Okay, and then let's continue. Just imagine that you are a tour guide who is describing a tourist object to the tourists. Yeah, and then you can use your transcription that you have made in the previous meeting to describe a tourist object like a tour guide. Yeah, so let's take a look into this writing. Who has this one? Whose writing is this? Hello, Amanda. Yeah, this is your writing. Yeah, so you write or make a description about Pandawa Beach. Okay, and then later on, I want you to make a audio visual recording. Yeah, you have to record your voice, and then you have to act like a tour guide who describing a tourist object to a tour. Okay, next you have to pay attention to this point. Important elements in making spoken description of tourist destination. Yeah, the first one is intonation. Yeah, so your intonation must be good. Yeah, your intonation must be suitable to be used by a tour guide. Okay, And then pronunciation. You have to give a clear pronunciation. And then stressing. You have to give a stressing in what point that you think that it is important. Yeah. Okay, guys, look at this. Yeah. I have tips for you in making a spoken description, to guide you in making a spoken description. So the first thing that you have to do is compose the transcription of description about particular tourist object. I think you already done with this, yeah, because you already make your transcription last week. Number 2, yeah, the second one, break up the transcription into some part. You can break the transcription into some part, yeah. Record for the first paragraph, and then you continue to the second paragraph, and then continue to the third paragraph, and then after that you have to combine. Yeah, understand my point? Yeah, okay. And then number 3, practice to read the text more than once before recording your voice. You have to read it over and over again until you feel that you already fluent in reading your transcription. Yeah, to make sure that your recording will be good. Yeah. And then the 4th, speak clearly. And then the last one is don't speak too fast in order to deliver clear information to the listener. So if you can manage your emotion or speed in speaking, it means that you can deliver the clear information to the listener. Oke anak-anak, nanti ikuti tips ini ya. Silahkan lihat di handout. You can check on the handout that I already sent to you in WhatsApp group. You already have this one there. Let's practice. Ya, ayo kita latihan. Describe a tourist object in brief, like a tour guide. Pay attention on pronunciation, intonation, and stressing. And take a look into the transcription that you have made in the previous meeting. Okay, I already choose some of your writing. Yeah, this is from Destia Widharma. Hello, Destia.
Hello, Miss.
Can you present your transcription to your friend, but in brief? Yeah. Are you ready, Destia?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, go on.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Destia Widharma. I will be a tour guide on your journey to Pulaki Temple. Pulaki Temple is a Hindu shrine located in the hill bank. On the other hand, beautiful beach just in front of the temple. In the same vein, it became of the biggest Hindu temple in the coastal southwest part of Singaraja Town, Bali. And meanwhile, according to people believe, the holy group of monkeys are living around the temple and keep the temple from the bad influence. Pulaki Temple location is just in 3 hours drive from Bali's International Airport or 1 hour from Singaraja Town.
Great. Thank you very much, Destia. Okay, the other, please give applause for Destia. Yeah, that was a good performance. Yeah, I think some words that you have mispronounced. Ada beberapa yang kamu ucapkan itu masih mispronounce, masih salah, tapi nanti silahkan perbaiki ya saat kamu membuat recording ya. But overall, that's good. And then I can get the point that you describe the Pulaki Temple. First, you mention the location, yeah, and then you mention the things that you can see in Pulaki Temple, including the monkey, right? You also state that the time that we need to get to the place. And then the second one, I also have the writing of your friend here. Yeah, the writing of your friend. This is from Trisna Ayu Nia Meita Dewi. Hello, Trisna. Hello, Trisna. Can you hear me?
Hello. Yes.
Okay. Can you present? Yeah, can you present your transcription, your spoken description to your friend? Can you do that, Trisna? Yeah, okay. Let's go on. Yeah, time is yours.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nikomang Trisna Ayunia Meta Dewi.
I will be a tour guide on our journey to Penglipuran village. I hope you all enjoy the ride this time. Penglipuran village is the traditional village located in the Bangli Regency. In Penglipuran village, the tradition is still very traditional. Many people are very friendly. As you can see, the community live in Penglipuran village is very calm and peaceful in this village. There is also a bamboo forest. This place is must visit place.
So thank you very much Trisna. Give applause for Trisna. Ya, tepuk tangan dulu buat Trisna. Okay. Do you have any comment or suggestion to your friend? Is it already good? Are they good to be a tour guide? Destia and Trisna, do you think that they are good in delivering their spoken description? Good or not? Good. Antara, what do you think Antara? Is it good or not Antara?
It's good, but I think it's much more slowly.
Okay, very good. That's good, but you need them to speak slowly. Yeah, thank you Antara. He thinks that Trisna and Destia is already good in presenting their spoken description of a tourist object, but they need to speak slowly in order to make your friend understand of what the information that they deliver. Yeah, thank you Antara. Okay, and then this is what I said to you before. Ya, jadi after recording your voice and selecting some pictures of tourist object that you describe, you will make an audio-visual recording for the example of recording Menjangan Island yang sudah kalian dengarkan tadi. Okay? What application that you usually use to edit the video? Ya, jadi you can use that kind of application sepanjang itu compatible on your smartphone. Sepanjang itu bisa diinstal dalam HP-mu, silahkan gunakan itu. Or you want to use your PC, menggunakan laptop juga bisa. And then the duration, ya, the duration. Just take 5 minutes in maximum. You need to find the pictures of a description, ya. For example, Pulaki Temple. So you have to collect some picture related to the place that you describe. Look at this. This is the temple, yeah, this is the beach. And then she also said that there are some holy monkeys. This is the monkey. So this is the situation there. Oke, sudah paham kan? Jadi buat yang menarik nanti ya, recordingnya itu bukan cuma suara saja, tapi gabungkan dengan visual. Jadi orang yang mendengarkan paham, bisa membayangkan tempatnya seperti apa, ya. The people can imagine how is the place by looking at the picture. Okay, now let's generalize our lesson. So we have discussed about what we have discussed. It's about descriptive text in general. Yeah, we have discussed about descriptive text. Yeah. So the relation of descriptive text and tour guide is to promote
tourist object.
Yeah. Okay. And then now let's recap and reflect. Yeah. Let's summarize our learning activity. What have you learned? What have you learned today, guys? Yeah, you have learned about descriptive text. Yeah. And then do you have, how to be a tour guide.
Recording.
Yes.
Recording.
Yeah. How to make a audio visual recording of a tourist destination. Okay. Is the material useful for you? Do you think that the material useful for you?
Yes.
Why? Can you give me the reason why you think that this material is useful? Who wants to give idea?
Because dapat membantu
Yes.
di masa depan.
Yeah. If you work in a tourism industry, ya, kalau kalian bekerja di industri pariwisata, ya, it will be very helpful for you to be able to describe a tourism object to a tourist, foreigner or domestic tourist. Atau ada lagi yang mau ditanyakan?
when should we submit our videos?
Okay, the submission will be next week. Yeah, you can submit it in Google Classroom. Yeah. Do you have any question again? Ada pertanyaan lagi?
No.
Okay, this is the end of my slide. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Ya, terima kasih banyak because you already join my class. Ya, and then you are very active. Kalian itu sangat aktif and full of smile. We do something fun today. Yeah. I think that's all for today. Yeah, that's all for today. I really appreciate all of you because you are very active. Yeah, you show me that you are curious in doing this activity. You show me that you are disciplined. Yes, and you show me that you are an independent learner. Yeah, so I have 3 plus point for you. And then I also wait for your assignment in Google Classroom. Yeah, please submit it as soon as possible. Don't be late, okay? And then next week we will begin with the new material. Okay, guys, thank you very much for today. And I will end this meeting. But before we end this meeting, because we open it by praying, then we will end it by praying too. Kita berdoa dulu ya sebelum mengakhiri pembelajaran ini. Antara, are you ready to lead your friend?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, go on.
Before we end our lesson today, let's pray. Praying start. Finish.
Okay, thank you very much, Antara. Thank you very much, guys. Yeah, this is the end of our lesson. Thank you very much and goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.